Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Shraddha Deshpande, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of English, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur. I welcome you all to my channel, Learning English is Easy. It is, believe me. Today I am going to discuss how to create a digital certificate using Google Docs. I know the topic is a little different, but you are going to enjoy learning this as well. Come on, let us start. So let us see first a sample grade sheet. This is my drive, and here I have already prepared a sample grade sheet as well as a sample certificate. So let us look at the sample grade sheet. Here I have used full name of the student, course name and final grade of the students. I have chosen few around 9 students. The course name is Communication Skills and Personality Development, and this is the final grade of the students. You have to take care that you don't have to keep any vacant rows or columns in this grade sheet. It should start with the very beginning of the grade sheet. So there are three columns A, B and C, and the rows with the names course name and final grade. Now this is your sample sheet of the certificate course. Now I will show you the sample certificate that you have to prepare. This is the certificate of sample certificate I have prepared. This is particularly again the certificate of certificate course. So as I have shown you earlier, there are three titles, that is those are full name, course name and final grade. You have to put these three titles in this format, that is less than sign 2 times, full name and greater than sign 2 times. Again for the course name, less than sign, then the title, that is course name, and greater than sign and complete. The last is final grade, again 2 times less than sign and then complete the bracket with 2 greater than sign. This is a very important part in making the digital certificate. So this is a sample certificate. As I already told you, the format can be as per your choice and your requirement. Now we'll go back to the drive. Let us start making the digital certificate. I will open the sample grade sheet in the Google Sheet. Now the next step is to click on the add-ons. You have to click on the add-ons and you have to actually get add-ons from this particular sheet. I have already downloaded this Autocrat and so I can open it. What you can do is you can go to get add-ons, open it. It might take few seconds to open. Go for Autocrat. You will find in the search engine and you can open this Autocrat from here and install it. That will be installed on your Google Sheet. This is how it can be done. Once it is already installed, then you can again go to add-on, Autocrat and open. Now this app is opening in the sample grade sheet. Before that, what one you can do is you can go to Google Drive, make a new folder of certificate of certificate courses 2021. This is the folder that I have created in my drive. In the meanwhile, you can do this. Then again we can go back to the sample grade sheet. Here you have to go to new job, name your merge job. You can again, you have to name the job. You can say certificate final. Next, then you have to choose a template of the certificate. Because we have shared the template in the drive, you can choose from drive. The certificate that I have made is this sample. in the name of sample certificate. So I will choose this and select and OK. Once I have done this, I will go to the next. Now here you are going to map three things. You can see here full name maps to column full name, course name maps to column course name, final grade maps to column final grade. So this is all already it is in line till now. So the next thing that you need to do is click on this arrow and just left click on this full name. It will be copied and go to next. Here you have to paste this, that is Control V underscore certificate of I would say communication skills course. I am taking this abbreviation, certificate of communication skills course. Okay, CCC I would say in that case. Okay, let us take this. Go to type and make it PDF and go to next. You have to choose the destination folder, and because we have prepared this folder name as certificate course, this I guess, okay, of certificate 2021, right? So go select that and press continue. Fine, then go to next. You can skip this this particular step, go to next. Even you can skip this step, step number 7, next. And because I don't want to share the docs with my students, so I am saying no. If you want to share the docs with your students or send them emails, you can share, you can click on yes. Next. So the first setting here in add or remove job triggers is I have selected run on form trigger. This is also loading, this is updating the triggers. And for the next is run on time trigger, I am saying no. So you have to save this, that is in the red box. Once we have saved all these steps, the next thing we will find this certificate final, and here in existing jobs you have to say there is a run job button and you have to click on run job. The job is running now, it is merging the sample certificate and the Google Sheet, and here you can see these certificates are being prepared. You can just go back in your drive and the certificate courses folder that you have prepared and see these certificates are prepared in this folder. Slowly and steadily they will be added in this folder. I'll show you here because the job is still running. As soon as these are created here, they will be saved in the folder we have prepared on the drive. See. So in this way you can go back to your drive and go back to your folder again, and you can see slowly and steadily these certificates are being prepared and they are being saved in the folder that you have prepared on your Google Drive. I hope this has really helped you in understanding how you can create a digital certificate through your Google Sheets. Thank you so much for your kind and patient listening, and I hope to come in my next session with some new tips on online learning.